How's it, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make a Chinese style pork belly. Now this pork belly is going to be, I'm going to brown it in the pan and then I'm going to steam it in my Ninja Foodi, which is going to be almost the same thing as braising. The pork is soft, it's tender, it's full of flavor. I'm adding carrots and onions to it as well. And it is just, I'm telling you, it's a really ono and delicious recipe. So let's get to it. All right, here we go. Let's make this sauce. So I've got my soy sauce going first. Got my rice wine vinegar, or you can use aji mirin. I've got my garlic, minced garlic, and my sugar. And I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons of sugar. Last ingredient, half a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. All right, let's give it a little whisk. Let's give that another taste. That's the one. Got lots of meat to cut. Gonna use some canola oil, some Chinese 5 spice, and some Alea Hawaiian salt. Alright, I got about a tablespoon of hot oil in here. I already put a little salt on the pork. I'll drop this in, get it brown. And now I'm going to add a little Chinese 5 spice. I like to just sprinkle it on a little bit at a time. It's a very cool smell. It's almost like a cinnamon. It's a little sweet, a little savory. If you don't know what Chinese 5 spice is, if you've ever been to a Chinese restaurant, you probably had it. You'll recognize the taste, I think, once you smell this. Great smell. Shit. Oh, there we go. Move stuff around a little bit. Alright, as you can see, I got my carrots and my onions in here with my pork. And then I'm just going to pour some, just about a cup of the sauce over top of this. I'm also going to add a half a cup of chicken stock. Put this puppy on. Okay, so we got this on, put it on steam. Good for 20 minutes. Gotta make sure that the vent plug is on vent because I'm steaming it. Hit start, and that's it. That's my pork, the carrot, onion, a bit of sauce, and some rice underneath. Oh wait, try for you now. Let's see. Some pork. Pork is flavorful. It's soft. It's tender. That was really good. And some white onions. Carrot. And so well. This is all. This is one of my throw together recipes. Didn't really know what I was going for, but push it on. Like I said, pork is tender, full of flavor. A lot of the fat that was on here was rendered. The onions are soft, the carrots are soft. The sauce is kind of soaked into the rice. And just, it's on. So I don't know what I'm going to call this. Hamajang style pork. Hamajang pork. I don't know. Porkololo. Maybe. I'll tell you guys something. Porkololo pork. Or Puerco Lolo pork. I don't know. It's on. But this is Pao. It's freaking on. Thanks for watching. See you guys next week.